This is Brian Putt. Today I'd like to talk to you about generating Metalog distributions on one line. And in this case, what I want to do is I want to generate 10 different Metalog distributions. So here is a blank worksheet, and I want to demonstrate how to generate 10 Metalogs. So I have this other file over here called Metalogs One Line for SIPmath. And in here there's a worksheet called One Row. I'm going to copy these cells here, copy, and I'll come over here to my other model, and I'm going to do a paste. The name PM index already exists. Do you want to use that version in this file? Yes. So now I have this Metalog distribution. I'm going to take this row and just copy it down. And now I could change the inputs to these variables. So we'll add a few differences between these Metalogs, and where we have bounded Metalogs, we need to make sure we have the lower bound and upper bound defined. Now we want to give these names, so I'm going to call it D_dist1, and we'll copy that down. And now I can define these as random variables. With SIPmath, define outputs. These are the output names. Okay. And now you can see that I have different distribution shapes here. Let's plot a few of these. SIPmath. And then I want to be able to show you that they are different. So I'm going to copy this, cut this one, go over here, click here, and say paste. Cut this one, over here and say paste. And now they're not very noticeably different, to be very honest. Not as different as I like to be. So let's just come in here and put in some different numbers. We'll put in this as a 10, a 20, and that certainly gives a different distribution. In any case, you get the feeling for how easy it was to generate 10 different Metalog distributions, and I could then work with these as I need to. So I hope you find that helpful. Thank you.